Okay, welcome back again. What I want to look at now is something called statistics. And I've got this on my channel already, which some of you haven't looked at as yet, but you need that in mathematics. Now, I'm quite surprised that the number of units has been very few, and many of you have got problems with statistics. Look at the information, take the time to go through the channel and look at what you need to find. It is there. Okay? Again, remember that the 2357 no longer exists as a code in reference to sitting girls. It has been replaced by the 5357, but the content and the technical requirements is still the same. That has not changed. That may only become more relevant and develop as time goes on, especially as we're moving now towards a lot of electric cars. Okay, but I'm still in favor of hybrids. Electric cars by themselves are, in my opinion, just isn't going to cut it as a universal vehicle. But please note, that's only an opinion. Anyway, let's get on with this. Thank you. Okay. Now, look, bear in mind what the statistic is about. It is looking at how things can be represented graphically. Okay. Fill in the tables, write out the table, make sure you know what it's asking you to do. Do some additional research, do some groundwork for yourselves, look in the books. Okay, I've shown you what books you need to use and what you need to look at. Look at the website, look at my channel on YouTube. Again, use it. And again, you can use Terence Payne. It's there. Okay, Terence Payne Electrical. Should not have a problem with that. Okay, and here draw these out, get them written up. Make them your own, bring them for yourselves. It will show you how to manipulate and adapt data for use. Oh, hang on, sorry, some of these looks a bit out of focus. I think that's 54, 3 and 0. 3? No, make that an 8, I think. Okay? But you should be able to get these figures through from the previous information. Okay? Sorry about that. Okay. Look at the mode, okay, of these numbers. And the mode can only have one value, so even though the number might be skewed, you'll only find that it has one reference in this sense. It cannot be any other number. So your job here, find out what that number is and apply it. Okay? Practice, practice, practice. Nothing less. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Here you have the answers, okay? Make sure you understand the numbers, okay, as well. Here you have a bar chart. Get familiar with bar chart. Know how to create a bar chart, pie chart using your computer. Get used to it. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.